When it comes to stylish UV protection, the world's most expensive sunglasses brands are unquestionably reliable sources of premium eyewear that might even ruin your day if you unintentionally linger on a pair. Eyewear has been an integral part of fashion for quite some time now. Whether you are attending a high-profile event or simply enjoy shopping, investing in a valuable frame requires both time and effort. So here's what this video will help you do. It will help you cut down on the time and effort it takes to find the perfect fit for you. However, for the purpose of the video, we will focus on the world's most expensive sunglasses brands and eyeglass lenses. Let's jump right in. Topping our list of the world's most expensive sunglasses brands is Chopard de Rigo sunglasses. It goes for $408,000. Chopard is a popular Swiss luxury watchmaker, but what makes it the best? The frame is made of 60 grams of 24-karat gold, and the arms are made of dotted gold. However, the company's signature is encircled by 51 full-cut rivered diamonds. As stunning as they are pricey, a whopping $408,000, you wouldn't want to misplace these Chopard sunglasses if you had the chance. Number 2 is the DG 2027B by Dolce & Gabbana. It goes for $383,609. After Chopard, it is one of the world's most famous and luxurious sunglasses brands of all time. As a well-known Italian brand, it's no surprise that their sunglasses are the second most expensive in the world. The incredibly expensive DG 2027B sunglasses have brown lenses rimmed in gold, similar to the Chopard. The name of the brand is engraved in diamonds on each arm. Wearing them would definitely raise your status to new levels. However, your bank account will be wiped out. Number 3 is the Scheels Emerald. It goes for $200,000. Another well-known name in the sunglasses brand is Scheels Jewelers. Jack Scheels founded the Australian company in 1945, and this pair of emerald sunglasses is one of their most interesting products to date. They were inspired by Nero, the Roman emperor, who used emeralds to watch gladiator fights. However, it took the company 5 years to find, shape, cut, and polish the emeralds into lenses. The frame is pure gold with embedded diamonds, similar to the Chopard sunglasses, and the price is insane. Number 4, Cartier Panthère. It goes for $159,900. A few years ago, Cartier, one of the most expensive fashion brands, debuted the Panthère, a very special model of sunglasses. Panthère is the name of the 18-karat white gold that is encrusted in the frame. Added to that are the 561 diamonds and 645 blue sapphires. Then you have a design that is ready to drop jaws left and right. On the 5th spot is the CLIC Gold Sport 18-karat gold. It goes for $75,000. CLIC Gold is one of the most expensive sunglasses brands, with a history spanning more than 3 decades. They are well known for producing the most expensive reading glasses in the world, and they collaborate with Hue Power to produce the world's most expensive sports sunglasses in 18-karat gold. Everything except the lenses, which have the Carl Zeiss Super ET anti-reflective coating on the back, is made of 18K gold. However, we find the frame's magnetic front connection system on the bridge to be somewhat impractical. Number 6, Luxuriator Style 23 Canary Diamond. It goes for $65,000. The Luxuriate Sunglasses collection, designed by Jewelry by Franco, a well-known Los Angeles-based jewelry manufacturing company, includes some of the world's most expensive sunglasses, the Style 23. It's hard to miss the Luxuriator Style 23's eye-catching 18-karat gold frame and 132 diamonds set in buffalo ivory on the temple ends. They also have photochromic lenses, which change tint depending on the amount and brightness of the light. Number 7, Maybach the Diplomat Eye. It goes for $60,000. Maybach, the German luxury car brand, followed Bentley's lead and began exploring the sunglasses industry as well. After all, you can't drive a luxury car unless you dress appropriately. So a pair of expensive sunglasses go well with that kind of car. The Diplomat Eye, as they called them, turned out to be just as cool as their cars. However, the Diplomat Eye's 50 pieces were made of 18K gold and adorned with 174 handcrafted diamonds. Number 8. Bulgari Flora. Bulgari, a well-known Italian luxury brand, came out with a pair of sunglasses that quickly became very popular among the rich and famous. Hence, they are exquisite, and you can wear them to formal occasions to make yourself look stunning and classy. The frame is worth 18 carats of pure white gold with diamonds and blue sapphires inlaid. However, if you want to get your hands on a pair of these, you'll have to shell out $59,000. Number 9 is the Gold and Wood 253 Diamond. The 253 Diamond sunglasses are one of a kind, masterfully handmade by the prestigious eyewear brand Gold and Wood and combining noble materials with unique skills and expertise. Have you ever wondered how much a diamond would cost? Certainly not. Now multiply that number by 253. Yes, there are 253 diamonds embedded in the frame of this model. For true connoisseurs, this means a one-of-a-kind, precious accessory. Thus, the cost is simply astounding, $55,000. Number 10 is the Bentley Platinum. Bentley. Isn't the name implying something else? High-end British luxury cars. To go along with their beautiful automobiles, the automaker also decided to create a line of elaborate sunglasses for use while operating a vehicle. They did this by working with the high-end eyewear company Richest to make this basic set. They are made of pure platinum, as the name implies. However, you can get them in yellow or white gold for a lower price. The frame is expertly crafted and balanced, with a stylish design that reflects the company's values of class and finesse. While the design is classic, the price is $45,276. On the other hand, let's take a look at some of the most expensive eyeglass lens brands that offer the best quality. Number 1. Kodak Eyeglass Lenses. You can expect the most expensive and vivid colors possible when using Kodak eyeglass lenses. The Kodak High Precision Progressive Lens has a wide near zone for natural eye movement, a smooth transitional zone, and a clear distance zone. The Kodak High Precision lenses provide sharp vision at all distances. These are created scientifically through the use of an innovative numerical process known as Vision First Design. And because they are flatter and have less bulge, Kodak single vision and bifocal lenses provide better peripheral vision. Furthermore, these lenses are thinner and lighter in weight than standard lenses, providing clear and comfortable vision. Coco Lenny, on the other hand, has solutions for even the most difficult prescriptions, ranging from Kodak single vision and bifocal lenses to Kodak Concise TM, Unique TM, and Precise TM progressives. Number 2. Drivewear Transitions Lenses. Drivewear Transitions lenses, which use polarization in their lenses to improve on-road vision, can help. It's also one of the most expensive eyeglass lenses you can think about. The NU polar polarization eliminates glare from the road and car hood, which is frequently one of the most significant issues for spectacle-wearing drivers. Transitions photochromic technology adapts the color and tint of the lenses to changing light conditions, resulting in optimal color and clarity for driving. Drivewear lenses can detect and respond to changing light conditions both outside and behind the car's windshield. Drivewear lenses provide you with the appropriate visual solution for your life on the go, from bright sunlight and blinding glare to overcast, dull weather conditions. Number 3. Varilux X-Series Progressive Lenses. Varilux lenses make the transition from close to far, and every other distance in between, smooth and effortless. The Varilux X-Series lenses have all of the benefits of Varilux Comfort lenses, but they use the prescriptions from both of your eyes to calculate your lenses as a pair, allowing your eyes to work better together. And finally, we have the Chrysal Proventure lenses. Using a computer, tablet, or smartphone means spending more time in front of a screen than ever before. All of that screen time can be taxing on your eyes and result in eye strain. Chrysal Proventure lenses offer sharper vision than standard single-vision lenses. Most of their lenses have the Smart Blue Filter TM feature, which reduces exposure to harmful blue light and improves visual clarity.